get your fucking ass up
and subscribe to my channel.
In last week's episode, you saw me hop on a plane and magically arrive in Belize. Yeah, it wasn't as smooth sailing as it seemed. But here's what really went down. We had 4 hours of sleep, too much alcohol. We kept it classy though. I had mimosas and espresso martinis, but that espresso martini costed me my flight almost. I was running with a 15-pound book bag. I didn't miss my flight. And here's the aftermath of that.
We just had to run from gate 50 to 16. I'm dying. I'm literally out of breath. I'm sweating. And I can't wait to sit in my little business class chair because, bitch, I deserve it. And I got my little espresso martini.
3 hours later.
The game plan is to get our next flight and land in San Pedro and continue the fade because your girl is so lit off mimosas. I've literally been sipping mimosas since like 7:30 in the morning. I don't know, guys. Don't judge me. Many drinks, a classic movie, and one tiny little plane later, we made it to San Pedro, Belize. And remember that game plan I told you guys about earlier? Well, we got right to it. As soon as we landed, we bought alcohol and we took a shot with one of the workers. So shouts out to him for one, taking that shot with us, and two, helping us out this whole weekend we were there.
It's warm.
Ooh, cute little area. So cute. We got our TV all the way up here. So bougie. I'm so excited. So excited to stay here for a couple days. Wow, the ceiling details are so nice.
A few minutes later.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Several days later.
Alright guys, we're just gonna do the house tour now. Alright, so this is our little casita for the weekend. Come on up, we're on the second floor. It gives like farmhouse chic vibes. It's a vibe, it's a vibe. It's kind of dirty. We cleaned it up pretty well, but just letting you know it's not as cute as it once was. I didn't even notice that. Okay, wait guys. Alright guys, so this is the living room area. We love it. It's good if you have a bunch of people with you or you met people on your vacation. They could just come chill here. You could pregame here. No need to go in the actual room. So big plus. And then look at the view. So where we're staying has residential as well as like hotels. So right across is gonna be residential. It's still under. A lot of places here in Belize are still under construction. It's still an up and coming island. And there's also the little, what is it, the lagoon? Yeah, there's a lagoon right there. We got lagoon views. But yeah, let's move on. Here is like our kitchen area of the hotel room. It's super cute. This comes down. But my bestie made me, like, she ordered champagne and they like put like a whole welcome to Belize sign. And it came with champagne over here and I thought it was so cute. But yeah, you could pull this down and then you just have this whole area open, which is nice. You have the little desk area if you want to be a productive queen, you know? We didn't use her though. We're here to relax. No predictive, wait, what? No productivity here. Only relaxing. And then this is our kitchen where the men belong. Okay. And then this came all stacked up with, oh, fuck. I was gonna say it came all stacked up with water, but one, we're out of water, and two, I just wasted all the water we had left, so That's amazing. Right here we have our tequila and our whiskey because free drinks. Let's go over here. Over here is our room, our bedroom. I love this little book nook. Obviously it's more than a book nook because it's huge, but I thought it was so cute. And then over here we got our king size bed. We slept so good here this weekend. Like, this bed is the fault for everything. I love these two paintings. I think it's so cute and vivid, and it just adds this color and warmth to it. I also love the, what do you call this? Wait, I'm gonna look this up. Okay, so they're called vaulted ceilings. I love this, and I love the color of the wood that they chose. It brings so much warmth into this black and white room. I just love it. Every time we were like laying in bed, I would just stare at it and be like, wow, so pretty. And that's how I feel about this painting. Like, it just brings in all the colors, and like, I don't know. They did a very good job with their color scheme. I can give them that. They have a good aesthetic. And then on both of these sides, there's like closets that we absolutely did not use. And then there's these farm doors. Hey bitches, welcome to my bathroom. So this is our bathroom. There's still like a bunch of stuff here. Ignore, but look at this beauty. Oh, I am in love. This is kind of weird at first, but it's definitely grown on me, and I love it. Like, ooh, 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 the Instagram pics, ooh. And then there's like a window here, and then I love this mirror. You want to come out, baby? Say hi to them. My cameraman for the day, well, for the whole weekend, honestly. Love this. Just love the whole bathroom. Love this whole. Oh. What are you doing? Why are you crooked like that? What? What the hell? Whatever. And then this window is just a view of the outside. And then we got some cows here. Say hello to the cows. Moo moo, bitch. Moo moo. But yeah, that is our hotel tour. Woo! It's still up. We're good.
Several days earlier.
I took a nap for like 2 hours because I was so exhausted. But right now we're gonna go out. I don't really know where we're going, so I'll keep you guys updated. But probably gonna get litty. We're leaving our little cottage house. That's what it looks like. Into our cool ass golf cart that you can barely see. Oh no, you can see. Not the speed bump! It's when you're driving fast. Okay, you can U-turn now. This is scary. Like, Nick took us to like the middle of nowhere. I think we went the wrong way. Because we ended up in like a very not great location, I would say.
Island. That's like.
We're island, yeah, but like. Wait, why isn't it? So to sum up the rest of our night, we ended up in the city center, and it has this cute little sign where you could take pictures and a bunch of food trucks, and we got this loaded hot dog, which was chef's kiss. And of course, we had to continue on the night with another shot. So we took another shot, and the bartender made me this bomb-ass drink. I wish I could tell you what it was, but he told me it was a secret, and I didn't question the man. I just took the drink and continued on with my night. We ended up going to this bar/nightclub called Jaguar, but since we were so tired, the night didn't really last that long, so... Guys, we had a crazy little night. Not even crazy, but... it's just kind of dramatic.
I'm not sharing that, but that's all I'm gonna share with you. Leave you suspenseful.